directly start. And you all are welcome to the Essentials of Ayurveda course. And when we talk about Essentials of Ayurveda, you can also say foundation of Ayurveda or fundamentals of Ayurveda. But we will not just stay in between that kind of bubble when it comes to only foundation when we are doing this course. So I will definitely go through very deeper layers of it, that what Ayurveda really is, so that we can at least understand this ancient science, and we can on at our own will and at our own discretion, we can take the decisions that how we can use this science in this life. It is not only about just knowing about what spices are, what oils are, and what kind of foods are, that everyone knows. You can know it anywhere, isn't it? The more thing is that what is the benefit of these things, and how these things really are important in your life. If you will see current situation, what is happening everywhere in the world, then we can easily see that how devastating it is everywhere, and how much the poor condition of everyone is there on the planet, right? Whom to blame? No, none of them but us. We ourselves are, we have make ourselves so poor, so much vulnerable to all the diseases and illnesses and everything, and we are blaming virus for it. Right? So virus is just kind of a living entity once more, just like us. We just are not strong enough to bear it. It is the only thing. Ayurveda, as we know, that the Ayurveda is a science of life. And a very famous quote, or the you can say sutra from Ayurveda texts are ahar suddho sattva suddhi. All right, when the ahar is pure, when the food is pure, purity of the food brings you purity of the mind. Okay, so the purest the food you will take, the purest of the mind and the body you will have. Okay, so that's what this sutra talks about. And as we know, this Ayurveda is given to us by our saint and sages long time back, and they have given us this because they knew the importance of it. They knew that if we will be not knowing this science, we won't be able to get our ultimate goal. The ultimate goal of the life, as we know, as we have learned it in yoga, is liberation, isn't it? Or self-realization, right? So only and only you can reach self-realization when you will be having some consciousness, and with that consciousness you will be having the happy, healthy body with you, because this body is working as a vehicle, isn't it? When we say vehicle, means like you have cars at your home, and you use that car, you drive that car to reach somewhere, isn't it? You use that vehicle to reach somewhere, wherever you want to, right? Similarly, we have aeroplane nowadays to reach to some other countries. Then we have rockets to reach some other planets, isn't it? That's how our scientists are using, right? So we have certain kind of tools for us to reach somewhere. Similarly, for our soul, which is sitting inside, it has this body as a vehicle to reach somewhere. All right. So where to reach? Liberation in the end. Okay. When you can reach the liberation? When your vehicle will be fit and fine. That's it. Okay. So you have to keep your this vehicle fit and fine. Okay. And when you need to keep your vehicle fit and fine, what do you do normally for your car maintenance? Is your car every day into maintenance, into garage? No. Once in a while, isn't it? For the services. That's how you do for the car, isn't it? Regular maintenance, regular cleaning you do every day for your car, isn't it? Dusting and cleaning and more and brushing and everything. You do it every day, but then once in a while you also send it to the mechanic for the overall service, isn't it? But still, you know that how much, no matter how much you make it, do the service, regular service, still your car have certain lifespan, isn't it? Your car still have certain lifespan, whether it is 15 years or 20 years. The better you will keep your car, the better it will, go into longevity, right? Yeah, as per the rules, you won't be able to drive it on roads after 15 years, but at your hometown, you can drive it for further 5-10 years easily, isn't it? That means it will be there with you without any trouble if the services are going on time. Similarly, if your body is there and if you're taking care of this body on time, regularly, knowing that what it needs and fixing each and everything whenever it is required, done. Your lifespan will also increase.